I'm gonna be foraging today, so Chaz.
Is that a...
What's up?
What's up, boy? Is that a chicken coop? Savage.
Where'd you get that one?
I've had it for a while.
Oh, wow.
No, I had 2 of these.
Oh.
It is $15 on this, right? Josh, you want to cut the next piece?
Okie dokie.
Josh is cutting this part.
Alrighty. I lit that fire. Chaz.
Snake! Dude, cook the snake.
I'm trying to grab it. He's running. He threw it. It's still alive. Don't worry, guys.
Okay, I'm gonna cook the snake. How'd you even see that in the bushes?
Let's let it be free.
All right. Goodbye, little snaky. Wherever you are. Oh, it's trying to come back. I don't know.
Hashtag crazy.
Where is he at?
Hiding like a baby. I don't like snakes. Go grab it. Other way, sideways.
Do I put it on the anvil?
Yep, right there. Pull it out a little bit. Put it on the anvil. Okay, set it down and grab it a little better. Here, you got it. Wes, you show him. I'll film. You show him how to do the first piece, yeah?
Squeeze it hard, left hand. Hammer in your right.
And bring it closer.
Alright, make it flat. So whack the bolts up.
Like this?
Yeah.
Java's first time foraging.
And straighten it. So get it again right there.
Pretty gnarly stuff.
What's up, guys? I'm Jacob Dog from Jagged Mountain Knives, and I'm here with Javabeans. We're making a knife, but you guys should go check out my channel too. It's called Jagged Mountain Knives. Josh, are you gonna put a link in the description?
Yeah, I will.
All right, guys, there'll be a link in the description. Have fun.
Yo, let's get the game on!
All right, go grab that. Yeah, get it.
Let's go, Josh.
Okay, grab it with one hand.
All right.
Turn it upright and just keep working that point. Your choke up on your handle, but there we go. Whack it now. Destroy. Alright, let me go flat now. Put it flat.
Like this?
Yeah. Try to keep your elbow inwards if you can.
Elbow inwards?
Yep. So keep this elbow a little closer to your body. Not that much, but just a little bit, okay?
Okay.
Yep. Good Alright, let's throw it back in now.
Okay.
Alright, big for you. Just doing a little touch up on Java's work.
Yeah, bruh.
feet.
Alright.
What you're gonna do. Alright guys, I'm making this bottle opener and I'm gonna give it to Josh or Java and he's gonna give it away on this video. So if you guys want this bottle opener, make sure to comment on his video. Leave a comment and he'll give it away in a drawing.
Yeah.
Pretty sweet. I'm not done yet though.
Alrighty.
Alright, that's good. Alright, we finished Josh's knife. Well, not finished it, we finished forging it.
Yeah, bro.
Javabeans. Yo, yeet! Yo, yeet!
Hey there, viewers. There's my knife. I'm gonna start working on the handle. Let's get her done. Cheers!
Okay guys, we're gonna do a paracord wrap handle on this. So let's get started. All right, I'll come back when it's done.
Make sure to check out his channel, fam.
Jagged Mountain Knives. Go cop some of the merch. Show them the
Chaz.
knife. It's pretty sweet.
Okay.
But it's sweet. Thanks for coming over, Josh.
Welcome, bro. Thanks for having me.
Yeah. Alrighty.
Cheers.